Hello everyone, Lady Cyber here, with a whirlwind ride through today's global headlines for November 14, 2025, served with a side of humor, because yes, even serious news can crack a smile. Stocks crumble as hopes fade for imminent Fed rate cut. Global markets took a tumble as Federal Reserve officials cooled expectations of a December rate cut, while weak Chinese data added fuel to the fire. The world's biggest stock party thought the DJ was back. Then the lights went off again. China's economy jolted by weakest factory output and retail sales in over a year. China reported its slowest growth in factory output and retail sales in more than a year, a bad signal for its export-led model. When your production line says we're tired and your shoppers reply we're mild. Oil jumps after Ukrainian attack on Russian oil depot. A drone strike on a Russian Black Sea oil depot caused supply worries and a price leap for crude oil. The oil market, surprise supply glitch? Buy now, panic later. Russia pounds Kyiv with drones and missiles, killing 4. A major assault on Kyiv by drones and missiles left multiple casualties and raised tension in the Russia-Ukraine conflict. When Quiet Friday turns into Airstrike Friday and the world still texts you okay? Data fog has investors groping for the exit. The shutdown of key U.S. surveys during the federal budget mess means investors feel they're driving in fog. Dashboard lights flashing, and you're still supposed to steer. Safe haven assets pop while growth assets wobble. Gold and treasury bonds got a boost, while the dollar and stocks faltered amid the uncertainty. When you thought you were riding the roller coaster, then switched to the kiddie train instead. UK government ditches income tax rise plan, pound slips. The United Kingdom abandoned its plan to raise income tax rates, good news for voters, quirky for markets. No tax rise, cheers the public, what about revenue, whispers the market. MSCI Asia Pacific Index down as markets inhale sharply. Asian shares outside Japan dropped around 1.6% as global nervousness spread. When regional stocks start doing the limbo, how low can the risk go? Ukraine retaliates as Russia's oil export hub suffers blow. The strike on Novorossiysk oil port disrupts Russian flow, shining a spotlight on energy war economics. Energy conflict, it's not just about pipelines, it's economy, politics, and real-time pressure. Global market sentiment turns fragile amid mixed signals. With rate cut hopes fading and economic data weak, optimism wavers. The all-clear flag flew, but the storm cloud is still en route. Investors forced to reassess as structural risks surface. Analysts warn that even after the shutdown ends, scars remain in the economy and data gaps hinder clarity. Healing starts, but the band-aids are sticky and some wounds still ooze. Until next dispatch, this is Lady Cyber, powering down with poise, pixels intact, and a stray smirk programmed in. Stay sharp. Stay charged. And if your world buffer bars, simply reboot with irony.